9 months ago I got a set of lowering springs for the van. Due to excessive work commitments, it's not got done. Today it happens. Here they are. Da, da, da. So, this, my 2014 Vivaro, sporty, no less. I'm going to lower it 40mm. So she sits a bit high. Lovely van. I love my van. Got some ideas. We've got a rear spoiler to go on there, but I need to cut the ladder down because the spoiler hits that. Obviously lower it. Spaces. The inside. I want to do something with the inside ceiling. I started to do a black paint job. I had another idea, so I've stopped that. Let's just do something different inside. Spend a lot of time in the van, so could do with having it nice. So we'll come back to that bit, but first of all, let's get it lowered.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no one to ride, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Boy,
Right, reassembly time. So that's that side done. No need to show you the other side. I'll quickly get that done. We'll start on the backs. Now the rears. There we go. 5mm wider, 40mm lower.